Hey lads, TechScanning here. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 will go live probably next month alongside its big brother Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Watch 6 lineup. This next-gen handset of the most loved Z Flip series is set to bring many exciting changes. So here are the top 5 reasons why the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is going to be a big thing. So the first one and the most demanding upgrade that the Z Flip 5 is gonna see is the huge cover display. It will be the biggest cover display in the Z Flip history. Compared to the 1.9 inches on Z Flip 4, the upcoming Z Flip 5 will have a uniquely shaped 3.4 inches cover display. This means we will be able to manage more features than ever before without unfolding the handset. One of the major design problems of the current Samsung foldable phones is the more visible crease than its competitors. But it is going to be changed with the Z Flip 5 thanks to a new teardrop hinge design like the Oppo and Motorola, which allow the handset to have an almost invisible crease. And that is really a welcoming upgrade. The new hinge design of Z Flip 5 will make it slimmer, but most importantly, unlike its predecessor, the phone will fold completely, leaving no gap behind. This will be great as it will eliminate the risk of small particles going between two hobs. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 will be the most powerful clamshell because under the hood it will get an exclusive overclocked version of Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Yes, the same the Galaxy S23 Ultra has, and that shows the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is not just powerful but also highly power efficient. Samsung DeX is company's, I would say, the best feature that lets you turn your Galaxy phone with the help of an external display into a workstation having a desktop-like interface. But unfortunately, every year despite offering the powerful chipset, the Z Flip lineup didn't offer this feature. However, as per a report, this will change with the Z Flip 5 as it will be the first in the lineup to support the Samsung DeX. So one of the Samsung's executives already confirmed that the next Galaxy Unpacked event will take place in South Korea. However, the exact launch date is yet to be unveiled. Of course, I will keep you updated. Let me know which one of the features you are most excited about, and please do consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.